Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including the link to Folk2Folk, are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this video, we're diving into a review of Folk2Folk personal loans, exploring my usage experience and offering insights. Folk2Folk operates as a peer-to-peer lending platform, directly connecting borrowers with individual investors. This innovative approach facilitates personal loans for a range of needs, including home improvements, debt consolidation, or expanding a business. It's particularly well-suited for those with a strong credit history seeking an alternative to traditional bank loans. By eliminating the intermediary, Folk2Folk empowers borrowers to secure funding faster and often at more competitive interest rates. The entire loan process unfolds online, creating a smooth and efficient experience for both borrowers and lenders. Through Folk2Folk, you can apply for loans ranging from £10,000 to £500,000, with repayment terms typically spanning 1 to 5 years. A significant advantage of Folk2Folk is their fixed interest rates. These rates are determined based on your creditworthiness, simplifying budgeting and repayment planning. Moreover, Folk2Folk offers flexible repayment options, including the possibility of making early repayments without facing any penalties. This flexibility is a boon for those aiming to accelerate their debt reduction. What distinguishes Folk2Folk is its emphasis on fostering a direct relationship between borrowers and investors. While this personal touch might add a bit more time to the loan process compared to some other platforms, the increased transparency and personalized nature of the loan can build trust and confidence. Folk2Folk also provides dedicated personal loan brokers to guide you through the application, ensuring you receive a customized loan option that precisely fits your circumstances. Folk2Folk is an excellent choice for borrowers requiring larger loan amounts, possessing a good credit history, and who are comfortable with a peer-to-peer lending model that might involve direct interaction with their investor. If you value a personalized and flexible loan solution combined with competitive rates and transparent terms, Folk2Folk could be the perfect fit for your financial needs. Click the link in the description to begin your loan application today.